Hello viewer, many Instagram user face their Instagram GIF gone and replaced by random GIF. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram GIF disappeared, missing and also remove problem. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Click on your Instagram profile from the lower right corner. Go to 3 line from the top right corner. Scroll down and find out Help. Go to Help. Now click on Report a problem. Now tap on Report problem. Click on Include and Continue. Now briefly explain what happened or what's not working for you. So in the report box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram GIF disappeared and missing and it replaced by random GIF. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. Now go back and follow the second step. Tap and hold on Instagram app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Go to Instagram storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from Instagram app. And if you are iPhone user, please archive your Instagram app and then restore your Instagram app for clearing cache data. Now go back and follow the third step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Instagram app. From here, please update your Instagram app and use Instagram latest version. So if you follow this step, your Instagram GIF disappeared, missing and remove problem will be successfully solved.